Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write XML code. XML, or Extensible Markup Language, is a powerful tool for structuring data. Unlike HTML, which uses predefined tags, XML allows you to define your own tags, making it incredibly flexible. It's designed to be both human-readable and machine-readable, facilitating data exchange between different applications. We'll cover the fundamental rules and best practices to get you started with writing clean and effective XML. Let's dive into the essential syntax rules for writing valid XML. Every XML document needs a single root element that encloses all other elements. Remember, all elements must have a corresponding closing tag. For example, tag needs /tag. XML is also case-sensitive, so name is different from name. Proper nesting is crucial, ensuring elements are closed in the reverse order they were opened. Finally, always enclose attribute values within quotes, either single or double. Understanding the difference between elements and attributes is key to good XML design. Elements are the primary containers for your data, like book title. Attributes, on the other hand, provide metadata about an element, such as book ID equals 123. Generally, if the data is part of the content, use an element. If it describes the element, an attribute is often suitable. Keep attribute values concise, typically under 25 characters, and avoid using them for extensive data. To write high-quality XML, follow these best practices. Always use descriptive and meaningful names for your elements and attributes. This greatly improves readability. Consistency in naming conventions, like using camel case or snake case, is also vital across your entire document. Don't hesitate to add comments using comment for clarity, especially in complex structures. Finally, always validate your XML against a document type definition or an XML schema to ensure it is both well-formed and valid, preventing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.